Without force, you won't be able to walk. It is a great example of friction.
The leaves fell down from the trees due to an attractive force exerted by the earth. This is called the gravitational force.
Where am I? I think I'm lost. Good thing I I bring my compass.
In a big university, getting lost is not a problem if you have a magnetic compass. It exhibits magnetic properties acting with the Earth's magnetic field, showing you the right way to go. Here is one's crown and glory. Conditioning, waxing, relaxing are some ways to take care of it, but the most electrifying is combing. See? It picked up the pieces of paper